Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our English class. Myself, Shalini Lasante. Today, we are going to learn something new, something different about the magical world, the fantasy world. Lesson number 2 Along the Yellow Brick Road. That is about magical things. This small portion is taken from the book The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, written by L. Frank Baum. It is the story of a young girl called Dorothy who is carried away by a storm to an unknown land, or you can say the magical land of Oz. You know what is the meaning of storm? Strong wind. There she has many adventures on her journey down the yellow brick road. Along the way, she met some strange new friends. Among them are a talking scarecrow. Do you know what is the meaning of a talking scarecrow? An object made to resemble a human figure, or you can say it looks like a human. It is mainly set up on a field where crops are growing to scare birds away from the field. In the picture also, you can see the picture of scarecrow. It looks like a human. Okay, in many of the villages you can see the scarecrow. When they are walking, they heard some sound, and when they walk along the direction of the sound, they find the Tin Man. He is groaning from more than a year because he is not able to move. Can you see a picture of a tin man? A man which is made completely of tin. His body is rusted. Do you know what is the meaning of rusted? Damaged by a reddish brown substance. Mainly it is formed because of effect of air and water and on metal surface. So he is not able to move his head, not able to move his leg or any of the body part. He is asking for help more than a year now. Dorothy helped him by oiling his joint, starting from his neck, and afterwards she oiled his joints of legs and hands and all the body parts. Now the Tin Man felt very grateful and politely thanked them for their help. He was very happy because now he was able to move his legs, neck, and he is able to walk by his own. So he is very happy. So Dorothy tells him that they are going to meet the great Oz. They are going towards the Emerald City. Why they are going to the Emerald City? Because Dorothy wants to back to the Kansas, her own town. And Scarecrow wants some brains like a human being. He wants that he will be able to think same like a human. So Tin Man joins them, hoping to ask the Oz for his dearest wish. Do you know what is his dearest wish? Yes, he wants a heart. Yes. So three of them together, they continue on their path along the yellow brick road towards the Emerald City. So this is a small portion of a book, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Now we will learn some of the new words with their meaning. Groan, a long deep sound made because of pain. Even you know when you fall down, you make a sound. Yes. Stare, that is mean move. You know, in this story, the Tin Man is not able to move. Discovered. It means to found something by chance. Joints, parts of the body where two bones and joint together. For example, neck, knees, shoulder. We are having so many joints in our body. Rusted, damaged by a reddish brown substance. As I already explained in the story also, it mainly formed by the effect of air or water on metal surface. Grateful. It means being thankful. Being thankful for someone's help. In the story, the Tin Man was thankful to Dorothy and Scarecrow. Okay, children, so this is about the story of Dorothy. Keep learning and have fun. Stay at home, children. Thank you.